Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about the 5 problems that single-ply roofing systems have. The first problem is they have seams. Seams on a roofing system, they can lose adhesion over time, water can get underneath them, and they can let water go into your insulation. Seams also cause a problem because if they have, just a little bit of loss of adhesion, wind can get in there and lift that up and keep going until it's completely blown up apart. So, just seams, aren't good to have on a roofing system if you can avoid them. Next thing about single plies is that they're difficult to install around penetrations. So a penetration should be a HVAC unit, a pipe, a drain, etc. When you're doing single ply, they're in rolls. So you got to kind of roll it up to that penetration, put a boot over top of it, use sealant, and just a lot of mixing parts. If any of those things, aren't performing how they're supposed to, it could be an easy access for water to get into your system. The next thing is R value. So R value is how heat transfers between products, and obviously you want the most because it'll keep the heat in your building or the cool in your building, whichever season it is. But the R value of single ply is like 0.24 per inch of thickness. There's just other roofing systems out there that have a lot more R value. Another thing is that single plies they're not renewable. So when their service life is over, pretty much you got to rip them all out and then put a new system over top. You got to transport that material to the landfills. There's other systems out there that could do a little bit of tweaking and it could last and get you a new warranty. So just keep an open mind about that out there. And the last thing is a lot of the costs of the project go into labor. So pretty much you need just some material and a couple simple tools and you can get yourself a single ply roofing system. Another roofing system, spray foam. A lot of the money of the project goes into the material, which goes into the roofing system. So would you have your money going towards the labor of your roof or into the materials and the chemistry of a roofing system? So just wanted to say that out there. Certainly if you're looking at a new roof, keep an open mind. I know a lot of people, they do single ply and they just keep sticking with single ply, but maybe there's another roofing system out there that could be more beneficial to you. So just keep an open mind about that. If you want more information about any of this, in the description there's a URL to the full blog post. And thank you so much. Have a good day and I'll see you next time. Thank you.